Welcome to this channel. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome. Today I want to show you how I prepare pepper soup here in Nigeria. I'm using chicken for my pepper soup. This chicken, I've already killed it. I will use hot water to wash it in case there are fat that is remaining, but I've already removed the fat, but I'll still use hot water to wash it. These are my ingredients for the pepper soup. I have onions, garlic, ginger, pepper, and lemon. Then salt to taste. Then I'll also put basil leaf. We call it here scent leaf. So I'll put it alongside with my spice. I like using fresh flavors. I don't like dry one. That is why you see me with all these fresh flavors. Keep watching and see how I prepare it. This my ginger. I would have blended it, but I want to grate it with a grater just to exercise my hand a bit. I'll wash my garlic, then cut them into pieces to add to the pepper soup. This is the scent leaf, so I will pick them to wash it, then slice it and add to the pepper soup. Continue watching to see how I do it. Thank you. I'll wash the scent leaf at least twice to remove sand particles. This leaf, I'm not going to slice it, because if you slice it, it will make the color of your pepper soup to look dark. So what I do is I cut it with my bare hand, like that. That's my washed chicken. I'll add all my spices to it. This is my garlic. Then salt to taste. My pepper. I'm not adding all the pepper. My ginger. My onions. I like adding much onions when I am preparing pepper soup because I'm not adding maggi to it. So the onions will give me a sweet taste. Then I'll mix it together. Then I'll put it on the fire. Then I'll allow it to steam for 5 minutes before I'll add water. After 5 minutes, check it to see how it is. You can see the whole spice have entered the chicken body. So I can add my water now. Just add 1 cup of water. Then stir it. Cover it, then allow it to cook. Let's check. The pepper soup is ready now. So the last thing, 2 things we are going to add is the scent leaf. Then we stir it. The lemon, we've already washed and sliced it. So I'm taking just a tablespoon of it. I'll take out the seed. 1 tablespoon of lemon, then I'll add to it. Then stir it. Allow it to steam for the next 5 minutes. Then I'll cover it. My pepper soup is ready. Wow, very spicy. You can take it with rice or anything, or you take it only the pepper soup. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, subscribe to it, thumbs up, share with your friends and families. Thank you.